Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Naira, you can call me Unai. My study number ID is 63251199. And then this is my friend.
Hello, my name is Elia Yuja, you can call me Ellie. My study number ID 63251176. And then we would create dialogue first impression Miss Sufi.
A few moments later.
Hello Nai, how are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Today we have class, you know.
I see. By the way, this is our first meeting with Miss Sufi, right?
Sure, I'm really curious about Miss Sufi teaching methods.
Me too. But don't forget to join the Zoom meeting at 6:50 o'clock.
Okay, thank you for reminder.
Okay. Was the class with Miss Sufi earlier?
It wasn't as scary as I think because it turns out Miss Sufi is humble.
I agree with your opinion.
What do you think about your first impression of meeting with Miss Sufi?
I thought the first meeting will be tense, but it turns out riding dinner is fun.
Yes, I also agree with your opinion. What do you think about Miss Sufi teaching methods?
In my opinion, her exam method is simple to understand, and then the individual assessment she gives are not burdensome for us, especially for those of us who are working.
That's right. It turns out the texts have a long deadline because the assessments are due in the 11th meeting.
Yes, and also so happy with Miss Sufi teaching methods.
Hopefully, in the future, we will be even more always excited to participate in Miss Sufi lesson.
Okay, see you next time.
That concludes the dialogue about the first meeting with Miss Sufi for the first English project. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hello, my name is Elia Yuja. You can call me Ellie, and my number ID 63251176. Here I want to explain the material about the use of modal for making requests. Definition: modal verbs. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that must be used with the main verb. Their function is to express possibility, necessity, advice, ability, and so on. There are two benefits of learning modal verbs in English. The first, when is the time used by the main subject in sentence. There are 10 types with usage according to the situation, making the first priority when learning modal verb is that you must pay attention to the tense used by the subject, just like they used to be, but modals are at an even higher level, so they require a lot of attention. The second, each function of each modal verb in a sentence. In studying modal verbs, there is no formula, but each type has its own function and way of usage. That is why it is important for both to know and better understand each function so as not to make mistakes in applying them in sentence. The next modal verb formula, there are 3 types. The first, positive sentence. If, you, we, they, he, she, it, plus modal verb plus verb 1. The second, negative sentence. I, you, we, they, he, she, it, plus not plus modal verb plus verb 1. Treat interrogative sentence. Modal verb plus I, you, we, they, he, she, it plus verb 1. Common modal verbs for making requests. Modal verbs can, could, would you mind, may. A. Can or casual. E.H. Can you help me with this report? B. Could or more polite. E.H. Could you send me the details by email? C. Would or polite. E.H. Would you open the window please? D. Would you mind or very polite. E.H. Would you mind helping me with my homework? E. May or formal. E.H. May I borrow your pen? How to form polite requests. Can or could. How to form can or could plus subject plus base verb plus object. Example. Can you help me with this report? Or casual. 2. Could you send me the details by email? Or more polite. Would or would you mind? How to form would plus subject plus base verb. Example. Would you open the window, please? Would you mind plus verb plus in. Example. Would you mind helping me with my homework? May. How to form may plus subject plus base verb. Example 1. May I borrow your pen? 2. May we leave a little early today? Tips for making your request sound more polite. 1. Use please. Example, could you help me, please? 2. Use indirect language. Example, I was wondering if you could help me. 3. Apologize before the request. Example, I'm sorry to bother you, but... 4. Use softeners. Example, could you possibly send me the report? Modal verbs type 1. Ability. 2. Permission. 3. Advice. 4. Obligation. 5. Possibility. Ability modal verbs can or could. Example, David can speak 3 languages. 2. He could speak fluent French when he was 5. 2. Permission modal verbs can, could, might. Example, can I steal that car please? 2. Could I open the window? 3. May I borrow your dictionary? 3. Advice modal verb should. Example, you should visit your dentist at least. Example, you should visit your dentist at least twice a year. You should try to lose weight. 4. Obligation modal verbs must, have, to. Example, I must memorize all of their rules about tense. You have to take off your shoes before you got into the mosque. 5. Possibility modal verb might, may, could, can. Example, it looks nice, but it might be very expensive. Richard may be coming to see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you are happy today. Goodbye.